How to get a full refund on flight cancellation American Airlines. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you'll need to check if you're eligible. You can get a full refund in this situation. So if you have cancelled within 24 hours of booking, which must be at least 2 days before departure, and then it applies to all type of ticket, even non-refundable. Also, if American Airlines cancelled or changed your flight. If your flight was cancelled, you are entitled to refund. If there's any significant schedule changes, you can request a refund. And you can get a refund if you have bought a refundable ticket. You can cancel anytime before departure for full refund to your original payment method. So in order to request a refund, you want to go ahead and open any browser and then in the search bar, search for aa.com/refund. Once you're inside this aa.com/refund page, you'll need your ticket number, which is 13-digit number starting from 001 found in your confirmation email, and passenger's last name. After you do that, go ahead and simply fill out your online form, submit the request, and you'll get a confirmation email. So once you get the email, you'll need to wait for the refund. If you have used your credit card, it will take up to 7 business days. But if you have paid through your cash or check, it will take up to 20 business days. But if you have booked through a third party, contact the travel agency or website. American Airlines can process refund for those they don't have your payment status. And that is simply how to get a full refund from American Airlines. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.